Hiya guys, welcome to day one of Waxvent.
Yay, Waxvent, jazz hands,
Waxvent. Gonna sparkle your little Santa
Mine didn't
hat
do that,
on.
yours does.
I actually added the, on the last video when we put these on, I actually had it turned around the other way so it was on the felt side.
Ah, see, didn't want to spoil it too soon.
No, so this is like I said, this is the first day, guys, and it's a nice, quick, easy one to get you started off with. We just got a smallish piece of wax that wasn't really blocking up the ear canal, but the patient was getting a lot of itching, having a sensation that something was in the ear. Now this is, like I said, we are changing it up a little bit this year. We're going to be doing one patient a day, every day, up until day 24.
Yes.
So yeah, we've already cleared the biggest the biggest troublesome piece of wax there. We're just tidying up these last little bits. We've got quite dense hair in here as well, which seems to be going quite deep into the ear.
You've got a wicked fibrous hairy one coming up for Waxvent. Oh. I saw that the other day. I couldn't get over that. That was nuts.
We've had a couple of really tricky wax removals to do for the last few days. There's a few of them are going to be coming up in Waxvent. You'll see some of them, but yeah, there's some tricky old ones we've had to do.
Well, thank you as well. These, I don't know what you call these things, teeny bop as we call them. They were a gift, and we have got various ones and some hats as well to put on for our Waxvents this year. So you will see those popping up all throughout Waxvent as well, guys. Don't. Oh my goodness me! Don't forget. There's a new video every single day. You can see us on here. Members and subscribers, you still get your members only videos as well. They're also going to be coming up during Waxvent. We may keep the TD boppers on for those as well. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see.
Let's see. But yeah, come away nice and easy there. Nice and easy to start with. Well, we got 1.5 centimeters.
So ½ an inch. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching the film. We're off to a good start. Day one of Waxvent is done.
Christmas is coming.
Yeah, thunder.
I know him.
I watched that the other night. It's brilliant. So we'll have to try and do. Oh no, I was going to say we'll have to try and do a Christmas film quote to everyone, but I don't think we're going to manage that.
No.
we all do
24 quotes. It's all in elf, yeah.
Just 24 elf quotes. I bet there are some out there. But guys, thanks again for watching that video today. Me and the lovely Mr. Taylor Green will see you again tomorrow. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. We'll see you again real soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye.